Hey guys, once you come out from the parking lot, make sure that you will look both sides here and proceed when it's safe to do so. Check your right side blind spot and finish your turn. So go to the left lane here, check your left side blind spot. So look for the no entry sign, and then there is a left turn. Watch for oncoming traffic, make sure that you will pay attention and finish your turn when it's safe to do so. So we are not able to find any speed right now, so go at 40 at least. So now there is a speed limit posted. We can drive at 40. Keep checking your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. So don't go more than 40. So from here it says 30, so we'll drive at 30 now. At upcoming stop sign, we will make a right turn. So before brake, make sure that you will check your rear view mirror and then start applying brake. Right signal on. Come to a complete stop. Check your right side blind spot and move when it's safe to do so. So here, no speed limit is posted, so we can drive at 50. So there is a stop sign on the right hand side, but the stop sign is not for us, so don't worry about that. Look for the road marking, look for the signs. So there is a sign coming up that there is a traffic light ahead, and at the turn 20 is the recommended speed, so go slow here. Don't go fast. So we're gonna make left turn at the light, so we'll stay near to the yellow line. Give left signal, check your left side blind spot and come in your lane. So look at the light, so we have advanced green, so we can finish our turn. Check your left side blind spot and turn into your lane. So first lane on the left hand side, and after making left turn, you will have a good control on the car. Speed limit is 60 here, and then you will do the lane change to the right when it's safe to do so. So now we're gonna go towards highway. So make sure that you will keep a good gap from the vehicle in front of you. Now I can see that there is a sign my lane is ending, so I have to do the merging to the left hand side. So check your mirror, give signal, check your blind spot and try to merge as soon as you can. Don't wait for the last minute. Now we're going to do the merging for highway. So mirror, signal, blind spot, and speed has to be 100. Here we will do the lane change to the left and then come back to the right lane. So take your time, check your mirror, give signal, check your blind spot, do the lane change to the left. Maintain your speed, try to drive for a few seconds and then switch back to the right when it's safe to do. Here you will take exit, so check your blind spot again, signal on. Once you approach the V point here, leave the gas pedal, let your car move by itself. So exit 49. So here we can see the speed limit is 70, it's a recommended speed. So now we can see that we are in a left turning lane. So once you approach here, make sure that you will give left signal. Check your left side blind spot. Come to a complete stop before solid white line. Scan both sides, inch forward a bit. Move when it's safe to do so. So take your time. Turn into your lane. So speed limit here is 80. So we're gonna take exit at 115. So right signal on, control your speed, check your blind spot and come into your lane. So 40 is the recommended speed here. So go at the speed that you can control the car. So 40 is the recommended speed, so you can go at 45 or 50, not more than that. Try to stay in between the lines. As soon as your car is getting straight, start speeding up. And do the merging to the left when it's safe to do. Do the lane change to the left, mirror, signal, blind spot, lane change to the left. Now we'll come back to the right lane, so mirror, signal, blind spot, come back to the right lane. So here we will take exit. So check your right side blind spot, enter from the broken lines, and once you approach the V point here, cover your brake, leave the gas pedal, and gradually, nicely start slowing down. So 60 is a recommended speed, so let your car slow down by itself. So we are going from one lane to two lane. So when we go from one lane to two lane, we have to stay to the right hand side lane. When you stop behind any vehicle, make sure that you will keep 1 car distance so that you can see the rear tire of the car. So whenever you pass any intersection, make sure that you will scan both sides. Check your rear view mirror. So do the lane change to the left. Do the lane change when it's safe to do so. One car distance. Scan both sides. So we'll do the lane change to the right. So do the lane change when it's safe to do so. Keep distance from the vehicle in front of you. So if they are applying brakes, stay away from them. do the lane change to the right. So since we are in a turning lane, our signal will remain on. So here we have to watch for pedestrians, so no pedestrian, we will yield the traffic. And move when it's safe to do so. So we are not able to see any speed sign, so we will drive at 50. If there is no speed posted, you can drive at 50. Now we can see 50 sign here. Check your rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds. Both hands has to be at 9-3 position on your steering wheel. Try to look far, follow your lane. So we'll turn to the plaza here on the left hand side. So watch for oncoming traffic, watch your left side blind spot, and move when it's safe to do so. Take first right. And park on right hand side. So check your right side blind spot and finish your parking.